Holy crap.
Gonna keep that bar. Rubber side down.
You right there, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm out on my Moto Guzzi! I'm out on my Moto Guzzi! I'm well chuffed, super happy. And why am I so happy? Well, one, because this is one of the first times I've been able to ride this motorcycle because of you know what. And two, well, it was off the road anyway because it wasn't legal, it had no MOT. And it's now got an MOT. So, yes. It also test riding these new handlebars. And also test riding these new exhaust pipes. Oh yeah. Giggity, giggity, giggity. So yes, the sound you hear is from Mistral. It's Mistral Delight. Ah, yes. So these bars, they're great. It's a little bit different riding position from what I'm used to on any of my bikes, but it's quite nice. But it means I need to do more. I need to make the bike more racy. Things are afoot. Things are going to happen to this bicycle. I've been having mega audio issues, but that's not your problem. Got them sorted by going back to my old setup with my old crash helmet. I will get to the bottom of it, get my shoey working properly, but it just doesn't work at the moment. So yes, but twisty lanes, lots of fun, very short little video. Noise! These Mistrals are so much nicer than the straight throughs I've had on before, and more track day friendly. All I have to do is pop the baffles back in and I'll be able to do any track day in the UK. Oh yeah, brands baby, here we come. Right, 30 mile an hour, boring, and almost at my old man's. So if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. We like that a lot. And if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up, and if you didn't, because you're grumpy gills, you can always give it a little thumbs down. That's all cool in the school, whatever, we don't mind, missus. Anyways, whatever you do, please drop in a comment. I do love hearing from you. And yeah, those of you that are able to ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that bar. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber side down.